Hi, I'm Rajay.
I'm Julian.
And we have a beautiful machine. It started when quite long ago when actually I was doing a job in New Zealand. Julian was so happened to be in New Zealand, and we actually went to Deos. We went in there and they saw it, and I looked at Julian and I said, you know what? It would be really cool to have a place like this. I came back and within 3 months I bought 3 Harley Davidsons. Don't tell me why or how or where, but yeah, I bought 3 Harley Davidsons and sent 2 of them to Kustom. The monster has actually been like with me for the longest time, and she has gone through like so many changes. Our challenge is
it's quite different from
different. I think our challenge is going to be very different from everybody out there, and I think that's the interesting part, right?
Because we don't build
we don't heavy build it. We don't do it. We are not the guys who build the bikes. You know what I mean? We design it. We R&D it. We do all kinds of weird things, and we try to push the limits on each of the bike. The one person that actually inspired me the most, actually to get really into this, was Jesse James. I'm sorry, you know what I mean? But he's really good. I really liked his bikes at that time, and then we slowly, once we went into that, and then I started looking at more documentaries and stuff like that, and then of course Shinya Kimura, you know what I mean? He's like God, you know what I mean, to us. I think for me, in anything that I do, it's, for me, reimagining it is to stop looking at other builders around the world and actually come up with our own identity of builds. You know, I think for me that's I think once we reach that, then we have our own culture. You know, at the moment now we're still trying to be in the culture of America, you know, or I'm more Europe, or I'm more Japanese. You know, we're still kind of like in that state. So I think reimagining it is doing our own way. What are we going to do? What are we going to come up with? We are beautiful machines. See you at Art of Speed 2018.